Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Scrcpy. First of all you have to do is grab your phone and go to your phone's settings. From here, all you have to do is go to the developer options. To enable the developer options, you have to go to your about phone section. From here, you have to find build number. Once your build number has been found, you have to click on it rapidly 5 to 6 times, maybe 7-8 times. I will click on it until you see you are already a developer. If your phone asks for a password, enter your phone's password, and after that you will be a developer. Now go back. From here you have to find developer options. This is a new option enabled by tapping the build number. I will click on developer options. I will scroll down a bit until I find USB debugging. You have to make sure turn on that USB debugging option once you're done with your phone. Now after that you have to go to your phone's PC browser. Okay, after opening PC browser you have to go to the Scrcpy homepage, or you can just search Scrcpy on Google and click on the GitHub first link or the search results. After that, what you have to do, go to the releases page, click on this latest. You have to scroll down a bit, and from here you have to download for Windows. If you have Windows 64-bit, you have to click on Win64 or Win32. So I have Windows 64-bit version. I will click on it and it will download a zip file on my computer. For example, this is how the zip file looks like. I will extract it and it will extract it as a folder. I will click on this folder. Now what you have to do is connect your phone via USB cable or charging cable to your PC, and after connecting your phone with the PC, all you have to do is double click this scrcpy.exe file. Double click on it and now it will open your CMD or command prompt, and after that a pop-up window will appear, and now you can see your phone screen and use your phone with Scrcpy, and that's how you can install Scrcpy. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.